So, mission today, or mission now, is this indicator. So I'm guessing there's plenty that I've got to take apart to get out, because why else wouldn't there be? And I bet you I've probably got the wrong bulbs, because oh, don't look, it's a mess, it's a mess. I'm sure there was a video where I tidied this up. Oh well, it happens. I can't remember now, is that a 10? Hey dog, you're helping. Yeah, wasn't it 10? Oh no, that's right, I did something else, that's why. Is this where you have glasses on? I bet you I don't have the right bulb. I bet you. Put me crook, or put myself crook. I can't remember what size it was anyway. It's because it'll be that size. That'll be the size it is. Right, what else have we got? I suppose it's like, I could have YouTubed this first, I suppose. If I get a bit of wood or something. Hold that back. Gotta get that winch going one day. Right. No, it's not really enough. It's better, is it? Can't see what else there is. Is there something in through here? This is getting more and more bloody involved as we get along. It's taking half the car apart. Need a board to sit on. Not that one with the nails in it. Small one will do. My arse don't get so dirty. Ooh. Ridiculous. Take him as well, because let's do something. So back cooking with gas. other one there. Just want it out enough so I can the fucking indicator bulb. Aha! I did get the right bulb. Looks alright. Can't really see. Oh, must be. There must it be. Thought of that for that. All of that swearing. Of course there's only one way they can go in. So it must have been the bulb because it was going really fast. Tick, 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 tick. This only means blown bulb. Wrong side dick. Yes. Sucker sis. Alright, let's put this bad boy back together again. What? Oh look, up there. There's a couple of them. Right, no more torchy on there. Hello. The magpies. Come on. Come on. Fuck off. Don't want your kind here. Ah, yeah. We're gonna have to do that, really. You guys see it? Right, so just check all these. I didn't put all of this in. I saw there's something rubbing there. So it was smoking a bit. Which leads me to believe that maybe there's a short or something there. See, they've been rubbing quite a bit there. It's not really my priority. Right. Shut up. Don't like you, magpie. Don't like you, magpie. I think I'm missing some of those. So one battle down. So that's everything back together. Holy shit, I did it. Yay for me. Right, now what we've got is must be the one you use for the air conditioning. Oh no, high pressure. Oh, that must be the one. There's another one somewhere. Right. Oh shit. Yeah, that was the same one that had the busted park light. Bet you I should have had it out. No parky. Yeah, it is that one. Oh no, I should have left it out. It'd be exciting having more lights going. Son of a motherless goat. I hope we can get to him. Just where is he anyway? So he's there. Oh, that's it. Oh, I should have done this. Right. You know what? Got it. Let's see if I can get back in there. Glowing. So that's the right one. So, off you go. So what I need to do is make sure, how am I going to do this? Just a bit. Just accidentally touched it. So they're probably alright, but it's just something I've always been wary of. Right. Don't run away, don't be shy. You're not in the changing rooms now, buddy. Right. Done. Don't touch it, Glenn. Right. Right, we gotta thread the needle. Carefully. Oh, that doesn't sound very carefully. Found the hole. Now I did knock it a couple of times and graze it, but we'll see if it still goes, eh? I didn't stuff it.